All right, starting the morning off, cars everywhere. Did the chalking, did all the basic no drift event details to help out. Today there's a competition at 1 o'clock, and I don't know if this is gonna go in the video or not, but I'm just gonna tell you all anyway. We are, I don't have a car, and Mike has to go to a party for his godson, I believe, and he wants to compete in the comp. So I'm actually gonna take his car. He's gonna sign up and get the chip, and we're gonna just jokingly go compete. I'm gonna drive his car. I'm gonna put the top up, and the car's tinted. No one will no one should know that I'm in there, but again, we'll see. It's all in good fun. It's not trying to be sneaky or anything like that, but it should be kind of funny if we can pull it off. So we'll see. If it's in the rest of the video, then that means it worked out. If not, then that means I just suck still. So. Try to put it in rice.
Put it in rice.
Yeah, that might work.
Dang. Oh shoot, my bad. No, the tire's still in there. Just fold it all the way in. Somebody's gonna DB the tire all the way on the opposite side of the existing tire. It's gonna be Michael. It wasn't like, oh, it just popped off the front of the bead. We got a problem. Nope, I'm gonna roll it all the way to the coilover. Godly, it's literally touching the coilover. Oh, hey, there he is. On this episode of AntidoteTV, we haven't drifted yet. We just broke the car. Oh, damn. Woo, woo, woo. Hey, Toot. Don't scratch the paint. It's wrapped. It's wrapped. So Michael just debeaded his tire. It's completely off of the wheel, except for it's touching the coilover, which is, I mean, you see it obviously, but it's impressive. Somebody's got to do it, right? You got the whole shebang out here. Look at that. Look at this. I was laughing because I was like, this is the lowest Mike's ever gonna be. That thing is serious. What a beautiful car to be broken like this. Hey, dude. Look at Mr. Mike. What is he doing? What did he do? She's picking flowers. She's good.
Getting some pretty good rollers right now.
Mike.
Yeah. Mike, you're going the wrong way.
Still got 3 perpendicular.
What did you do?
Brake.
It's okay. Say welcome to AntidoteTV.
Welcome to AntidoteTV.
I was driving so fast that I ended up in the wrong section of the course. There was the cone. Yeah. He's been in the military, so he knows. Sick, dude. What happened? I don't even know. Foot on the gas, not sure what else, bro. All right, so comp's over. I got second place somehow, pretending like I know how to drift. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna go for some ride-alongs and get some raw clips. So, see y'all on the other side. Ended up driving Mike's car with the windows up, just to be funny. We got second place. We got second place, look. Got us a Grip Royal, little trophy for the boys. Unfortunately, I did damage the car a little bit, but it's all fixable things. Like got the lip off of there. Bumper's hanging. We're gonna have to fix that in the morning. But all in all, it was fun. I got to get in some ride-alongs with Brian, which is like something I don't ever get to do. I'm usually driving, so getting to ride with your friends is like actually way cooler than I thought. So I'll probably put some of the clips from that in here as well. DJ flew his new drone, the Inspire, I think it is. He drove it. He flew it for the competition, so I'm sure we'll have stuff from that. And honestly, Austin's out here, DJ's out here, like there's all these photographers out here, so there's gonna be some cool content coming from it, so we'll see. See ya.